Pink is doing what she can to help the deadly wildfires in Australia.
The singer took to Twitter on Friday to share that she is donating $500,000 to the local fire services that are battling the raging fires.
Pink also attached a list of local state fire services for those who wish to donate.
I am totally devastated watching what is happening in Australia right now with the horrific bushfires, the Just Give Me a Reason songstress wrote.
I am pledging a donation of $500,000 directly to the local fire services that are battling so hard on the front lines.
My heart goes out to our friends and family in Oz. Red Heart. At least 12 million acres of land have been affected by the fires, and more than 100 blazes are still active, per NBC News.
Pink isn't the only celebrity to speak out and urge people to help out.
Nicole Kidman and Keith Urban also donated $500,000 on behalf of their family.
Our family's support, thoughts and prayers are with everyone affected by the fires all over Australia.
We are donating $500,000 to the rural fire services who are all doing and giving so much right now, Kidman wrote on Instagram.
Selena Gomez also shared on her social media that she would be making a donation.
Absolutely devastated by the fires in Australia. Praying for everyone affected and all of the first responders.
I'm making a donation and would love if you would consider doing the same if you can, she wrote, attaching an article with more information.
Melissa Joan Hart also penned a note about her love for the continent and shared links to places her fans can donate.
My heart and prayers are with you, Australia. Stay safe. And if you can donate to help the cause, the @Red Cross OW link is in my bio, or if you want to help the animals affected by the fires, donate to @Wildlife Warriors Worldwide, she began.
See how other celebrities are helping and raising awareness below. Get the ET newsletter form greater than by signing up. You agree to our terms of use and privacy policy.